Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Asana to Slack in just a few easy steps. First, open Slack and look on the left-hand side for apps. Click the drop-down, then select Manage and choose Browse Apps. This will take you to the Slack app marketplace. In the search bar, type Asana, then hit Enter. You'll see the official Asana integration app. Click Add. Next, Slack will ask for permissions. Simply review and click Allow. Once that's done, you can choose which channel you want to integrate Asana with. Finally, click Open Slack, and you'll see Asana appear under your apps list inside Slack. That's it. You've successfully connected Asana to Slack, and now you can manage your Asana tasks directly from Slack. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech guides.